Good morning. I am Dr. Gaurav Trivedi of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIMS Raebareli. On this World No Tobacco Day, 31st May 2024, the theme of this year's World No Tobacco Day is protecting our children, our youth from tobacco industry interference. Although the smoking incidence has reduced worldwide due to continuous effort of the tobacco control community, the there is an increasing trend in the youth of the world trying the tobacco products like e-cigarettes and tobacco candies, nicotine pouches. All these things are on the rise. So basically, our effort for this year is to stop this interference of the tobacco industry in the youth population, because they are the potential replacement of those customers of tobacco industry who have succumbed to the advanced malignancy which are caused by tobacco or its associated products use. Particularly in this area of the country, Uttar Pradesh, there is oral tobacco use is very high. People are still, lots of patients come for oral cavity cancer with the oral cavity and buccal mucosa, tongue carcinoma. So I would again urge them to stop using tobacco in any form, whether it is for recreational use or if it is a habitual use, you should try to reduce it with the help of doctor's advice. And especially, we should target the youth, which should prevent cancer in this population, as is the theme of World No Tobacco Day 2024. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Arijit Jyotar, Assistant Professor, Department of ENT, AIMS Raebareli, and a member of the Tobacco Control Cell of AIMS Raebareli. Every year, the World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st May. This was started by the World Health Organization in 1987. This year also, it is going to be celebrated on 31st May. The theme of the World No Tobacco Day this year is protecting the children from tobacco industry interference. That is very important theme. Catch them young. It can be a lucrative tagline for any tobacco industry. Why? Because once the tobacco addiction starts at a young age, it is very difficult to quit. Also, young individuals may consider such acts fashionable and adventurous. Tobacco addiction may not only be in the form of bidi or cigarettes, that is the smoked tobacco. It may be also in the form of the smokeless tobacco, like the gutka, the khaini, the nassi, also the nicotine gum, lozenges, all these things. But whatever may be the form of tobacco, it is equally harmful. Tobacco causes heart disease, stroke, and all types of respiratory problems, respiratory illnesses. But one of the biggest risks that tobacco carries is the causation of cancer. Tobacco users have very high risk of developing the lung cancers, oral cancers, and also the cancer of the larynx. Particularly in this part of the country, that is Uttar Pradesh, the prevalence of tobacco use is extremely high, not only among the males but also among the females. As a result, we at the Department of ENT of AIMS Raebareli see a plenty of patients suffering from oral cancers. Lastly, I urge everyone to please stop the use of tobacco in any form, and also try to prevent the use of any risk of tobacco use in the young members of your family particularly. If you see any such chance of the use of tobacco in the young members of your family, please take care of them. We have to protect the young generation from the ill effects of tobacco use, as they are the future of our country. Thank you.
खामोश मैं 10 साल से बीड़ी और गुटखा खा रहा था, तम्बाकू गुटखा, तो हमको कैंसर हो गया। फिर हम उसका इलाज कराया यंग ट्राइबल में, नाक कान गए विभाग में। तो डॉक्टर लोगों ने मुझे चेकअप लिखा, चेक किया, उसके बाद कैंसर निकला तो उसका ऑपरेशन किया, ऑपरेशन करके उसको निकाल दिया। अब हम काफ़ी कुछ खा भी सकते हैं और बोल भी सकते हैं, लेकिन हम भैया ये कह रहे हैं कि बीड़ी गुटखा कोई भी ना खाए, और हम ना काल गए डॉक्टर का आभारी हूँ जो हमको सही टाइम पे मेरा ऑपरेशन किया और हमको बचा लिया, और हम उनका आभारी हूँ। इसलिए हम ये कहना चाहता हूँ जो भी भाई मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं वो बीड़ी तम्बाकू गुटखा को हाथ मत लगाएं, नहीं तो हमको बच ही गए हैं। ये सब भगवान मानो डॉक्टर कि हमको बताएगा। पर भैया धन्यवाद, मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ बीड़ी गुटखा तम्बाकू मत खाइए।
जो तम्बाकू जो है 15 साल के गुटखे के रूप में खाया है, जो है मुंह में जो है छाले पड़ गए, एम्स में जो है जांच करवाए, यहाँ पे जो है कैंसर लिखा, वो कैंसर लिखा, जांच में दवा भाई ऑपरेशन हुआ। अब जो है हम सही रूप के रह रहा हूँ, काम धंधा सब कर रहा हूँ, कोई परेशानी नहीं भाई ऑपरेशन में सही के। ना एम्स रायबरेली नाक कान गला विभाग का आभारी हूँ, जो सही समय पर हमारा जांच हो गया, इलाज हो गया। धन्यवाद। जो ये वीडियो देखे पान गुटखा सुपारी ना खाए, बहुत जो है नुकसान हो रहा।